while, the factories won't even find a safer, better way to put their poisonous waste away.
Hello friends, my name is Arav from 5T. Today I am going to tell a poem on National Pollution Control Day. I played in the gym as a child when the way seemed so endless and wild. The water was clear and smelled clean. It was so long ago, like a dream.
Now the stream is too dirty, the water is scummy and smells wild. The place where I played seems so foul and decayed, and I shed the first tear as the dream starts to fade.
Very good morning to everyone. My name is Saksham Gupta. Today, we the students of grade 5 are presenting a special assembly on National Pollution Control Day.
Wangari Maathai once said, if we heal Earth, we heal ourselves. Environment pollution is currently one of the biggest challenges we are facing today. December 2nd is observed as National Pollution Control Day every year. This day is observed in the memory of those who have lost their lives in the Bhopal gas tragedy on the night of December 2nd and 3rd. 1984. Many people died due to poisonous gases and poisonous gas, methyl isocyanate, also known as MIC. The environmental pollution directly and indirectly affects the quality of life in ways more than one. All this is mainly caused by human activities which harm the environment in ways more than one. 3. Nowadays, pollution is a major global concern because everyone on earth is entitled to clean air to breathe, water to drink, and to enjoy in public islands.
The theme of the National Pollution Control Day is raise awareness about the importance of pollution control and educate people on how to prevent pollution. Life on Earth in the form of plants, animals and humans is directly dependent on the environment of survival. The constantly changing environment affects life on Earth. Different types of pollution, natural resources such as water, air, land or forest are being affected speedily. Humans' action have a direct impact on the ecosystem, and if we do not pay attention to our environment, we are putting our existence in a great danger.
There are many states in India where people are suffering from many pollution problems. They are used to suffer from many of the dangerous diseases by which they can't do their work properly. Due to pollution, some people are used to die due to serious problems, and many of the people are dependent due to various diseases. So, there are various pollutions such as air, water, soil, land, and many others by which every person is affected by its dangerous effects, and it should be reduced for a better environment. The key objectives are to educate people about the importance of pollution control acts and making them aware about industrial disasters. The day aims to bring awareness to people about prevention of air, soil, noise and water pollution. Some facts about pollution. 9 out of 10 people worldwide do not breathe safe air. Air pollution kills 7 million people every year globally, 4 million of whom die from
Indoor air pollution. A microscopic pollutant is so tiny that it can pass through the mucous membrane and other protective barriers to damage lungs, heart, and brain. Children and old persons are highly affected by pollution. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Deepa from grade 5D and I am doing the special assembly. Topic is National Pollution Control Day. National Pollution Control Day is used to get all the knowledge about reducing and saving people from the dangerous effects of pollution. It is true to maintain the level of pollution, but one can control it through many good ideas or plans. People are instigating to reduce pollution, but it is not very easy to reduce it through small activities for pollution reduction. Pollution can be treated through many of the control measures, such as water, which is wasted, is handled and reduced with the help of many of the projects. Pollution can be reduced by treatment and management of solid waste, which is sensitive. It can be reduced by decreasing waste generation. Pollution can be decreased through waste reuse and producing power from many types of waste. Thank you.
काला काला आसमां है बादल भी मैला है खुदता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है काला काला आसमां है बादल भी मैला है खुदता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है फैक्ट्री हो केमिकल हो चूल्हा हो या कार हो पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो
Instead of polluting, pick up your trash. Take old trash to the dump. Compost your lawn clippings. Prevent runoff from your farm. Use cloth grocery bags instead of paper or plastic. Have your old muffler replaced. Recycle used motor oil and old paint. Use a refillable water bottle. Collect rainwater for your garden. Reuse and recycle everything you possibly can. Be responsible for yourself, the planet, and the future.
It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this day a memorable one. On behalf of my school, I give a heartfelt vote of thanks to our respected Principal Ma'am and Dean Ma'am for being a catalyst and inspiring us to do our best. With deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers for their uniting efforts. Thank you.